If you're in Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, or anywhere in Africa, and you've been hearing about AI jobs online but nothing is working for you, then this video might have saved you weeks of frustration. Yes, I know that so many of you are eager to start these AI training jobs that is all over now. Location is your barrier. I've been doing my research. I found a platform that actually accepts Africans. This is not just an AI platform, it's a remote work platform that accepts Africans. So I want to share this platform with you guys because I've seen lots of comments from you saying that most of the platforms doesn't work in your country. Even though those platforms are legit, they are working for me, they're working for other people in other parts of the world, but it's not working for you. Because it doesn't work for you does not mean that they are not legit. They are all legit and they are working. So today I'm breaking down one of the most talked about AI training job platforms out there. You know this platform, you have used it and you've heard about it before. The platform is called Remotasks and I'm not going to hype it. I'll show you how it actually works, how much you can earn realistically, why most people fail, and how to give yourself a real chance to succeed. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is where we talk about real ways to make money online, remote jobs, and AI training opportunities, especially for people outside the US and UK. No fake promises here, just what works and what doesn't. This is a new series where I show you platforms that actually work for Africans. I call it the African edition. And today we're starting a series where I break down AI job platforms one by one, starting with Remotasks that we're looking at today. So if you've ever tried it and got stuck, or you're about to sign up, watch this video till the end, because one mistake can waste your time. Yes, I've been there. One mistake on this platform can waste your entire time. So let me know in the comments if you have signed up on this platform before, if it worked for you. Alright? Before we do, please like, comment and share, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Let's keep it simple. Remotasks is a platform where you get paid to help train AI. What that means is you will be doing small digital tasks like labeling images, drawing boxes around objects, categorizing data, or reviewing AI responses. For example, you might be asked to draw a box around every car in a picture or identify whether an image contains a dog. That's how companies train AI systems to see and understand the world. Now, here's the good part. You don't need a degree. You don't need experience. And people in Africa are already using it. But let me be clear, this is not easy money. This is not easy money. You have to work to earn. You can't just sign up and forget about it like most of you do. Let's talk about earnings. Honestly, when you start, you might earn between $1 to $3 per hour equivalent. Yes, that low, and that's where most people quit. But here's what they don't understand. Remotasks is skill based. As you improve and unlock better tasks, you can move up to $5, $8, even $10 per hour or more. Some advanced users earn higher, especially in more technical projects like LiDAR tasks. But don't come here expecting to make $100 in your first week. That mindset will make you quit too early, especially when you check the conversion rate of where you are. Then you know whether it's worth your time or not. This job is suitable for stay-at-home parents, students, people that are out of job. Now let me be direct. Most people fail on Remotasks for 3 reasons. First, they don't take training seriously. Before you earn, you must pass training courses and people rush it. They click through, guess answers, fail, and then say the platform doesn't work. No, you didn't do it properly. Second, they expect fast money. Some of you sign up on these platforms and then you expect to earn $1,000 your first month. If your mindset is, I need money today, this is not for you because training takes time. Tasks are not always consistent and your pay grows slowly. Third, they are not consistent. You cannot log in once a week and expect results. Even myself, I just found out that I've not even signed into my Remotask account for like 5 months now. And I don't want you to make the same mistake. The people making money here on this platform log in daily, improve their accuracy, and unlock better projects. So how do you actually start the right way? First, go to remotask.com, sign up properly using your real details, and avoid creating multiple accounts because that can get you banned. Please use your real details, your full name as it is in your ID. Second, complete your profile fully. This part is underrated. Add your skills, your language, and any experience, even small ones, okay? Add it there. It helps you get better tasks. Third, take training seriously. This is where you either win or lose. If a course says 2 hours, spend 2 hours. Pause, rewatch, and understand, because passing training is what gives you access to paid tasks on this platform. Fourth, focus on one task type. Don't jump around. Start with image annotation or categorization and master one before moving to another. Fifth, be patient with task availability. Yes, just be patient. Some days you will have many tasks, some days nothing. That's normal. Don't panic. Be patient. Quick one. If this is helping you understand how this actually works, hit the like button so more people can see real information like this, and comment Remotasks below so I know you're following this series. I'll be replying to some of you. Now let's talk about payments. Remotasks pay weekly, usually through PayPal or AirTM, depending on your region. For many Africans, AirTM tends to be more reliable. I've used it before, but here's what matters. You must maintain quality. If your accuracy drops, you can be removed from projects. So it's not just about doing tasks on this platform, it's about doing them well. Let's reset expectations. Remotasks is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not a stable salary job. It is a starting point. For those of you with less experience on AI training, it is a place to build your skills and a stepping stone to better AI jobs. There are other platforms that accept Africans, just that you do not have the right skills to be on that platform. If you treat it like a learning opportunity and stay consistent, you can use it to move to higher paying platforms later. So who should actually use Remotasks? It's best for beginners with no experience. For those of you asking me, how do I start without experience? This is a game changer for you. People who have time to learn, and anyone trying to break into AI work. If you already have advanced skills, you might want something higher paying. But if you're starting from zero, this is one of the easiest entry points for you. Here's the bottom line. This platform called Remotasks works, but only if you work it properly. Most people fail not because the platform is bad, but because they don't approach it the right way. If you stay consistent, improve your skills, and stay patient, you can make it work. In the next video in this series, I will break down another platform that many Africans are using and compare it directly with Remotasks. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, yes, so you don't miss that. And if you want me to create a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to pass the training and start earning faster, drop a comment, full guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.